Hello all. First off, I need to thank Jerry S. Hodges. He's generously donated so many times to my channel now, and this directly impacts my ability to take time for making my videos, even if my posts are more amateur hour than anything else. Anyway, video posting can be time consuming, so big thanks. I'll let this one play out some and you'll see where I'm going with this. I've still got SVS, Shaky Vice Syndrome. Here I'm tilting the drill a little so the hole has a bit of inward angle. You'll see why. So here's my idea. Heat up this 6mm round rod and coil it using this ridiculously simple setup. For my first try, I don't get the initial bend tight enough. For the second try, I heat a smaller section and try for a tighter initial bend. This works a lot better. I need to cut the rod in order to remove. I can see I'm headed in the right direction. So I go for a third try. This time I want to wrap the complete rod around and tighten the coil loops together. This works fine, but now I need a way to heat the tail end and continue coiling it. You can see my limitations with my small forge, but there's always a way. I use a cutoff wheel this time, but go a little too deep. I hope that from my videos like this that you can glean some information that helps you in your own projects. I'm sure folks out there can improve upon this basic idea. I decide to flatten the coils against each other, because why not? So here are my first, second, and third goes at this. I can see a lot of uses for something like this. A longer section would make a great handle. Catch you guys next time.